The hair loss you're experiencing could be due to your iron deficiency. Have you gotten your blood work done recently? How is your iron? Hemoglobin is a protein in our red blood cells. Its purpose is to carry oxygen throughout the body, including our hair follicles. Now, if your iron is deficient, our body will prioritize other organs throughout the body that need it the most. And our hair follicles are the bottom of that priority list. So we do have to thank our hemoglobin for prioritizing more important areas, but our hair is neglected in the process. So it is important that we supplement with iron, eat iron-rich foods, and take note of our iron levels to make sure that our hair loss is not due to iron deficiency. One reason why you may be experiencing hair loss is due to a vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is crucial for our hair follicle health. Vitamin D is involved in the creation of hair follicles, and it regulates our hair growth cycle. Yes, our hair grows in cycles. I'll talk about that in another video. Our hair grows in phases, and vitamin D is really important for the hair growth phase. Vitamin D is also very anti-inflammatory, and inflammation in the scalp can absolutely cause hair loss. And did you know that autoimmune conditions often lead to hair loss? That's because our body will prioritize whatever vitamin D that we're receiving and allot it to other areas in our body. Our hair is at the bottom of our priority list. So often when we have autoimmune conditions, hair loss tends to be one of the first symptoms we experience. Protein is essential for our hair growth. So oftentimes when we are on crash diets and we are not consuming enough protein, our hair takes a negative effect. So when we are not consuming a sufficient amount of protein, our hair will suffer. Protein is essential for the hair growth phase of our hair cycles. So without adequate protein, we'll experience increased shedding and slower hair growth. So your hair loss could be due to an iron deficiency, it could be due to a vitamin D deficiency, and it could be due to your diet not containing enough protein. These are easy changes you can implement into your lifestyle, into your diet, so supplement if necessary. And while you're tackling hair growth internally, don't neglect to tackle hair loss topically. Right now, the Emu Oil Growth Drops are $20 a bottle. So definitely grab yourself a bottle, grab a few while they're at this price point, because very soon they'll go back up to $37.99. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.